fried rice any day of the week. Every day of the week, in fact.
Really?
But today, steak fried rice.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to the set. I'm CJ, this is Nate. Right over there is Ethan, and right over here is Arnold.
Hey!
Anthony.
Get to the chopper, hurry.
Oh, that's good.
So glad that you guys are with us. Today we're gonna be making a delicious steak fried rice that will not disappoint. You will love it. In the meantime, interactive television. Every time we ring it and bring it. Grab something to sip on. In the meantime, enjoy this little intro interlude.
Interlude or intro?
Just an intro.
I can't find it. Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel. Oh, it's faster. Wait. Now it's CJ's first.
Steak fried rice. It should be quick, my friends. So right behind
Why did
me.
you say should? It's going to.
Because it's gonna be fast.
Oh.
So
it should be.
it could be.
I just was clarifying for the viewers at home.
Yeah.
Too busy wondering if you could. You never stop to think if you should.
Oh, there it is.
Here's a big winner for the steak fried rice. Shaved ribeye. Now you could use like sirloin or any other cut of steak that you want, but if you got shaved ribeye,
Cheesesteak territory.
yes we are, dude. But it.
Ooh, all the fat in the rice? Sorry.
Yes, but we'll get to that in a minute.
I like your pulling technique. I usually go the other way.
Yeah, I should be doing that.
A few moments later.
I'm not gonna season just yet.
Why?
Gonna let this crisp up.
But if you
Well,
add
I'm
the
not gonna
garlic
season
in
with the other stuff. I'm not gonna season with liquid.
Oh.
Liquid keeps natural hygiene.
You use?
From time to time.
I'm gonna do a little bit of.
No, I'm not gonna season. I'm gonna season.
I meant to say I'm not gonna season with my liquids yet.
Oh.
We take 12.
Got some garlic powder. Gonna do.
If you're not
Nice.
careful, you're gonna lose me.
I lost you 2 months ago. Are you mental?
Get
We
the
broke
net.
up.
Get the net.
I've also got some ground ginger. This is gonna make a nice,
Oh man, it smells amazing.
nice punch of flavor, folks. Look, I bet we're already starting to see. See, this is what we're going
Beauty.
for. That's our ideal situation. So, note to self: have your Blackstone set to stun. If you don't know what stun is, go watch Star Trek and then think to yourself, how would steak be cooked with a phaser?
That phaser's just.
Another fun hack: you could use day-old white rice that you get from.
When you make it.
Yeah, or if you get it from the Chinese
Someone
food
else who
restaurant.
made it.
Somebody else making it for you. But Ben's rice will get the job done.
That's actually a little pro move life hack. When you order like Chinese takeout,
Hold
order
on.
the extra rice,
Hold on to the rice.
the white rice, and save it.
Right. So Ben's rice is already cooked. Wow, my lid is not put on very well. Ben's rice is already cooked. We're just steaming it at this point and flavoring it. Now is an appropriate time to flavor.
Dude, the beef smells so good.
Yes, it does. I got some soy sauce. Hold on, stay there.
I feel like we're actually almost done.
We are actually almost done. A little bit of sesame oil. Don't go heavy on sesame oil. Then the only thing you'll taste is sesame oil. Not to think that it's like what Nate says, where if you add
Guilty
green
conscience.
chili,
Guilty-
green chili,
I didn't
everything
say
tastes
it.
like green chili.
I didn't say anything.
No, you say it all the time.
I was thinking it, but I didn't say it.
And then the mother of all sauces. We've got some yuzu bachans.
So good.
So good. All right. Here we go. We're gonna keep on cruising. I've got some cabbage here, green.
You do have small hands.
Circus folk. Nomads, you know. Smell like.
Cabbage. I don't have small hands.
Did you see his hands? They're beautiful. I think we should settle.
Yeah.
All right, let's add this cabbage right here because I want that to steam up with the rice.
Soften a little bit.
Soften up a little bit. Now let's make some room, shall we?
The beef looks good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dude. We're just like scooting along here,
We
man.
are. We're Tom cruising.
We're Tom a cruising.
I know.
Dude, your one-handed technique. Oh, you get a little tea kettle over there. Yeah,
Really?
one-handed technique's money.
Thank you, sir. I happen to practice it from
From time to time.
seasoning with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're seasoning in stages, folks. It's a whole thing.
Sounds familiar.
Ah, like I might have been taught that before.
Normal.
Yeah. You're gonna, get tempted to let the scramble, like, go full on scramble.
Isn't that what you're doing?
Well, I'm going on a full on scramble, but I'm not gonna have it full on done.
Oh.
I'm bringing it over here now
Ah.
to my eggs. So, and you know what? Go hard on the eggs. In my opinion, fried rice honestly can't have enough fried eggs in there.
Yeah, that's nice. The texture different, the flavor.
Oh, you're dealing with some very unstable herbs.
I told you.
Yeah, your voice cracked.
I did.
Because you're stupid.
Why is that funny?
You're fired!
Okay, now it's time to start seasoning our steak in the stages.
Okay. So it's just salt, pepper, garlic,
Ginger,
SPGG.
SP spaghetti.
Yes.
Yes.
Then
So
soy and bachan.
now we got some soy. We got some bachans. This is gonna like glaze that steak.
The whole backyard smells amazing.
Yes, it does. You know what? I've got this little bit of cabbage.
Yeah?
I'm gonna throw it in.
Go hard.
I'm just gonna go hard. You're not hardcore unless you live hardcore.
You're not hardcore unless you live hardcore.
Chilies, heat, color, yum,
Texture.
texture, little
Yellow.
different.
I can't talk about it anymore. It's giving me a headache.
Here we go. Last little bit. Got some bean
Ooh,
sprouts.
I'm a fan of bean sprouts.
I'm a huge fan of bean sprouts.
You gotta
And
go
dude-
last though, because of the crunch.
Exactly. And I don't want the little cubed carrots. I find them to not be as easy to eat with chopsticks.
You don't like things in cube shape.
I don't like the cube-shaped things, but what I do like is the glaze going on with the steak.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You know what I'm gonna do? One last little shower.
More of the bachan.
More of the bachans. And, oh, dude, I
What?
almost forgot a very important ingredient that makes fast food Chinese food so delicious. Butter, man.
Butter, man.
Butter, bro.
Butter, baby.
And, this is it. This is it, folks. Let's bring it all together.
It smells and looks fantastic.
You're amazing, dude.
Thank you.
I like to cook.
Dude, this is like legit a 10-minute cook.
Yeah.
Dunzo.
Dunzo. Mick. You know what? One more thing
What?
while that butter is going. I'm gonna use it as a garnish at the end. But I love having sesame seeds
Oh yeah.
like heavily in my fried rice. This is kind of like that hibachi.
Oh, dude, you're my kid. That's a lot.
No, I know. That's why I said I like to have a lot.
Shut up.
Yeah. And that, my friends, is it. What I'm gonna do, I'm pulling it off here. I'm gonna let that butter finish melting. I'm gonna get it nice and glossy. Gonna toss everything around. Might even season a little bit more with some of that that yuzu. In the meantime, I'm gonna ring it and bring it because
This might have been the fastest cook you've ever done.
I know I'm feeling a little dead from all the speed.
Speaking of CJ being dead, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that while people would sometimes bring recording equipment to record live shows, it wasn't really allowed? And in the 80s, the Grateful Dead actually made the tapers section, which allowed them to come and record, and that's why you can find a lot of recorded sets on like YouTube and stuff.
I was unaware of that.
Yeah, that's pretty
Wow.
interesting.
Just knocked me down dead.
Barry Garcia is one of my favorite singers.
Barry, man.
Oh wait, that was his brother.
That's right. Jerry gone too far. The butter had time to melt. It looks like perfection, minus one little thing. I am gonna add the whites of some green onion. This is a stronger, kind of, just a bigger punch of that oniony flavor.
Yeah, save the greens for garnish, the whites for cooking.
Thank you. And it's gonna steam up, so it's not gonna really be cooking a whole ton, but it's gonna steam up, soften up a little bit once it's mixed in there. And plate this up. I said it, I meant it. A little bit more bachans. We've also got some sesame seeds. We've got some green onion that I did on the
Dang,
bice to
dude,
make it
this
look
looks
all
so
pretty.
good. I can't believe how fast it genuinely
Dude,
was.
that was a fast cook, and let's get into it, speaking of which. So for me personally, with my fried rice, I love lots of eggs. I love cabbage. I love bean sprouts.
Love lamp.
Turns out I love lamp as well. I also
You're just
love...
looking around your stir fry and saying all the things that you love.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, let's get... Ooh,
Looks
that
phenomenal.
steak
Look
looks
at it.
hot.
Looks good.
Yeah, buddy.
Looks hot. Temperature? Hot?
Steam. Nope.
Steam.
It's perfect. Dude, the ginger and
More,
the garlic.
More salty than hot.
Why don't you eat up and we'll tell you.
This is great. Let me. Oh, got some heat here. Let me know in the comments.
see.
What do you guys like in?
You dropped it.
Oh what?
You dropped
I have a little bit.
it. You didn't even let me see it.
Even more so. I'm just a believer. I'm a believer.
I knew that about you. Got one believer, one Swiftie.
Oh. Okay.
Well, I'm kind of with him on Taylor Swift.
I'm fine with that.
Not playing.
Winner for sure. Steak fried rice. So easy. Seriously quick. Let me know. But speaking of comments, it's officially time, my friends, for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
We read
That's
it.
right, and then we give you a chance to speak your voice, to be heard on the biggest platform in the world.
Well,
Not really.
much. Might have been a stretch.
A big stretch. It's
A
my
stretch
show.
Armstrong.
Okay, that's quality.
Yeah.
Stop, evildoers.
Introducing super stretching superhero Stretch Armstrong.
This one comes in from Bordes, or Boards 4. Says, love the show, but bruh.
Boards of origin.
Orge de Bourge. Nate is like that old person's phone ringing or going off at a funeral that everyone hears except him. And not the cool ringtone, but the annoying default
Wait.
ringtone. Pull his mic, by the way. I do love his show.
Wait, I'm the old person.
And you're
And
kind
I have
of
a cell phone that's going off at a funeral.
and your voice is like that ringtone.
And I don't know that it's going off.
No.
But everyone else around me knows it's going off.
The reality is
Who's
yours
on the
wouldn't be
phone?
nobody's
Is it
calling you.
important?
Nobody's calling you. No.
It might be important.
It's definitely not important enough.
It might.
Hey, it's me. Can we wrap this up, please?
Phone doesn't even work, Arnold.
Palmer. Old guy.
Old guy.
Or waiting to ring.
Oh.
Here we go. This next one comes in from KC Plate.
Casey Neistat.
Says, Andy is super useful. Once upon a time, he removed a critter from my house. They're talking about that guy over there.
The critter was mine.
And then that guy over there, his wife commented and said, rude to call your daughter a critter.
It's a family member.
It's family ties.
Jeez, Adam over there has just multi-purpose.
I just wanted to hug.
There we go,
Good
Casey.
comment.
Okay, this is Brian Mowers. Brian says, why am I not surprised that Nate can't fathom the intricacies of cooking top ramen? But CJ is a master.
Cooking.
Well played, Mon Frere.
I didn't naysay. I naysayed.
You
I didn't doubt it.
It should be, the new term should be Nate-sayed.
I fully doubted it. I fully naysayed. But
And
here's
who
the
among
thing.
you doubted me?
I
Which one
did.
of you?
And I was wrong, and I said it.
It was me. It was
I
me.
did it. I did the mukbang.
No! Here we go. This next one, Just Go Away Too, says...
Wait, it's Just Go Away too.
Yeah, says, please, more cooking and less goofy. Thumbs down.
Listen, where's Just
Bad
Go Away
comedy,
1?
too many cutaways.
Bad comedy, too many cutaways.
Just Go Away 2.
Just Go Away 2. Why don't you go away?
2. I like that.
Burn. All right, we got 2 here. Well, this is one of... Yeah. This is from Brucey Fitz?
Brucey Fitz.
Bruce Seifitz?
Brucey Fitz
I don't know.
is better.
The Crack Fox. These are my squishy boots. Oh, Greg, that's Carly Jefferson. Great video, man. I just had to make reference that
Brucey
you
Fox. Brucey Fitz.
acknowledged the weirdest,
I'm going to jazzercise.
weirdest
Really weird.
show ever. And Crack Fox is crazy.
Everything's different in the world of me. Okay, let's have fun.
All right, and let's wrap it up again with another one. This is from Jeff Schaefer.
Hey, Jeff.
Schaefer, Coach Schaefer. You Coach O'Shea? Ooh, that's a deep one. That's a deep one. Jeff Schaefer says, I will definitely have to try this Mississippi chicken. Might have to put some Baileys on it. Thinking about it has me all excited in my downstairs mix-up.
What?
I'm all Greg!
2 Mighty Boosh references.
Ooh, they are mighty indeed.
There are some talented people out there in the audience leaving great comments.
How's the song go?
Do you love me?
Are you playing your love games
With me. I just want to know what to do.
Cause I need your love a lot. Come on now. Move it too fast.
Baby, back off and lower the pace now.
Yeah. And that, my friends, wraps up CJ's first cooking show. Be sure to go to Blackstone. Actually, go to www.blackstoneproducts. Oh, www.blackstoneproducts.com.
Is that on the World Wide Web?
It happens to be on the World Wide Web. Or you can go to https:// Ask Jeeves, griddlenation.com. Let me know if you guys want to put something up on the board. I'll send you an address. You could get a little honor going up there. It's a special board. All of this has been people sending stuff, and we're just waiting for Grohl, be thy name.
For that one special
one.
someone.
He will be mine.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. He will be mine. You're watching. I'm not creepy. I'm not creepy. I just want to hang out and party with you. That's all.
Yeah, I believe that.
It's still creepy. Lots of creep. Speaking of creepy,
Okay.
let me know how I did about my steak fried rice. Old Pepe Le Pew over here happens to love it. Sit down, boy. I don't even know where to go with that one. But this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right, and we have weird Pepe. That's the name of this cat, Pepe Le Pew.
Is it?
Yep.
Terrifying.
Quite.
Why is it lipstick?
Listen, Dave, I'm not creepy.
At all.